Hi everyone, so on today's video I wanted to do, I don't know why I always do this. I wanted to do something like Christmassy kind of, but I didn't really want to do like anything like with like red or green, so I thought why not do like this very icy look. And it was actually inspired by this look right here by the artist named Del. I will leave her social medias down below. She has like this, can I zoom in? You see how it's like this icy liner? It just looks so fucking cool. So I was like, I have to do this look. Mine doesn't really look like hers. Hers is a little bit more awesome. But I thought why not try it and then do my entire face as well. I didn't do the hair. I won't ramble too much and we'll get right into the look. Alright guys, we are starting this look. I already did my brows. I am never doing brows after foundation and eyes. Hell no. Hell no. And I already put a little bit of my foundation as well because I'm breaking out and I just, at the moment, I just don't want my breakouts to be shown right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, okay? But we are going to start with the eyes if I can find my concealer. You guys know how I've been concealing or priming or whatever using the Morphe concealer because I put my P. Louise base to just rest for a little bit. But I really like this one, so that's what I'm going to use for the eyes today. And then I like to take like a brush that looks like this. This is Morphe's E20 brush, and then I'll just buff the concealer out a little bit and like pat it in, I guess. This is the look that I'm creating today. It is by, I don't know, I don't want to butcher your name, I'm sorry, Delaracreates. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know how it feels when people butcher names, so forgive me. But I'm going to place her like social medias down below so you guys can see. I saw it and I was like, whoa, like I really want to recreate this. It's really, really pretty. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm going to be using James's palette. I'm going to mix Cola and Brother together, which are like the darkest blues in the palette. And you guys know I like to start off with the darkest shadow. I like to put it right into my crease and just blend everything out. Just make sure you put this in. I like to do patting motions first, or packing. Is it patting or packing? Packing motions. One of those two while I'm applying the color onto my lid. This just makes it more pigmented and you get a lot of like color payoff. And the brush that I'm using is the Morphe R39, which a lot of people sleep on this brush. This brush is really good. I'm just packing this on. And did you guys see I switched the background? I'm trying to get back to like matching my backgrounds with my eyes and stuff because I kind of fell off and I was like just doing the white background, but the white background sometimes makes me look really crusty, so I was like, I gotta take this shit off and change it and put some color in. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. I get a lot of questions too asking where I get some of my backgrounds. I get them at Joann's or Hobby Lobby. I think people don't know that Hobby Lobby has fabrics as well, and they also have fabrics that like Joann's doesn't have, so I recommend you go there as well. Also, don't sleep on the coupons. Like people I've had friends who like try to get backgrounds at like Joann's or Hobby Lobbies and they'll pay full price for them. I'm like, bro, they have coupons, so don't sleep on the coupons, you guys. All right, so Stacey has like this really dark blue. I'm gonna use this as well. I really want to deepen the crease, so that's why I really wanted to use her blue, because James's blues are a little bit like lighter than Stacey Marie's blue. I'm also gonna blend it outwards as well. You see how like super fucking dark that is? And this is what I like doing. I like building my colors. I'm gonna take Playground, which is the light shadow in James's palette, and I'm gonna use that as like I like to blend out the rest of the colors. And then I'm also gonna drag this shadow outwards because I don't know, I just want it to be like outwards. I really don't be having an explanation for certain things when I do things, you know what I'm saying? Like when I make bad decisions, I just do them. Look at how dope that looks. I love a good blended shadow. Love. Please do not blow on the brush if you do client makeup. That is so wrong, you guys. So wrong. And unsanitizing. Yes. My audio better be on or I'm gonna fight. Honestly, I'm just too poor to buy a mic. So please watch my videos, okay? so I can afford a bike. So right now I'm just going back and forth, making sure everything is nice and blended, girl. Okay, so now that I got it to a really nice blend, I'm going to cut a half cut crease and then I'll be right back. Oh shit. Alright, you guys, so I already cut my crease. Oops, my mirror's in the way, my bad. I'm going to add this color called Hello, which is like a really shimmery blue. It's actually a really light blue, and I'm just going to pat this all over the lid. And this is the Makeup Shack brush T48, which you guys already know. You can use my code Rocio. I think it gives you a 20% off. So I'm just packing this all over my lid. I also did wet my brush so I could intensify that shadow a little bit more. Look at how clean my cut looks. Oh, wow. My only talent. For reals, I feel like makeup really is my only talent, and sometimes I even fuck up in that because like I was never good in like anything. I was never good at anything in high school. You see, that wasn't even like a good sentence. Oh my god, you see? Like I remember I had to take a whole semester of just math. So I was like there from like 7 in the morning to like 2 doing just nothing but math because I fell behind so bad. I just sucked at school, and I don't know. I do encourage people to go to school though, like stay in school, because like I honestly felt like I couldn't, not that I couldn't, but I just like I have trouble with like speaking sometimes, and like even writing, and like getting like how do you say that, putting my words into sentences. Like I have a hard time with that stuff, and like I don't even know where I'm going with this, honestly. Just stay in school. Oh my god, that was terrible. I just really had a hard time in school. That's it. That's all, you guys. Ooh, that looks so good. I'm gonna go in with that dark blue and just blend it in right here so I could create like a really nice gradient, and then it just doesn't look like it just stopped. And then I do want to go in with a little bit of playground and then blend that in as well a little bit. That looks so pretty. I think it looks different than the other eye, but you know what, it's cool. The liner part is gonna take me a while because I am terrible at liner, but I got these 2 liquid lipsticks. This one is from Anastasia in Paint, and then this one is from LASplash in Sirus, and I'm gonna mix the 2 together to create my liner. All right, so I'm using the Morphe M158 brush. It's just an angle brush. It's actually supposed to be like a brow brush. I'm gonna use that to create my wing. I'm probably gonna fast forward this part just so we won't be here forever. I suck at doing wing liner because I fuck it up all the time. I want to make sure that I'm creating it, like I'm making it a little big, because I need to put like the icicle things or whatever they're called. So I have to make this liner a little bit big so everything can fit in place. Alright guys, so I had to go like off camera to do the liner part because it was pretty hard to do it on camera, and then I poked my eye. Now I have to draw the white part, like the little these parts. Hers looked way better than mine. She did the damn thing in this look. Like they're just really perfect. So we're going to attempt to do that, and I have this really old Mehron Cream paint palette. I'm gonna use the white that's right here. So you activate it with water. So I don't have water, I have like my setting spray. So I have this art brush from Michaels. This is from the brand called Artistry, and I believe it's in 0. I really like working with like art brushes because they like just make a difference. So I am going to start doing the little icicles. First, she actually gave herself like a wing, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys in for this, and let me try my best not to ruin it. It's like I want to talk to you guys, but I don't want to fuck this up, you know? Okay, I'm gonna continue to do these, but I'm gonna do them off camera because it's just too hard, okay? But you guys kind of get the gist of it, right? You guys, I really like how this turned out. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Makeup Forever foundation stick, and I'm gonna go over these areas that my makeup kind of came off because of this look. My nose area, because she gets really ugly sometimes, just in general really crusty. And I'm going to take my favorite concealers, which are e.l.f. and Covergirl, and I'm going to conceal my under eyes. I like to do the e.l.f. concealer first, and then I like to take the Covergirl one as well because it's lighter. They kind of just like balance each other out. Then the bridge of my nose right here just a little bit. I don't do it on my forehead ever. I don't know why. I just don't, you know what I'm saying? And then blend everything out. I like to use my Makeup Shack sponge, which is only $5. Expensive at all, and it's really good. I don't have money for the beauty blender, you know what I'm saying? So we're going affordable. So I got the flower powder from Beautybakerie, and I've always heard a lot of great things about Beautybakerie and how good powder is, and they sent it to me, and I'm really happy because you know, I wanted to try them out for a really long time. This is in translucent, so that's what I'm gonna use to set my under eyes. Oh, she's very light, and when I mean light, as in like she's not a heavy powder. She melted right into my skin. Whoa, wow, okay, I really like that. I hate when you get a translucent powder and it's like really like just like a very thick consistency. This powder is very thin. It's like very finely milled. Is that what it is? Mint? No, minced. Mint is when you mince garlic. You know what? She's good. I'm gonna set my nose area because I get dry right there, and then this area. I'm not picking my nose. I just found that that's like a really good technique to get in there. I like to go over my forehead just a little bit. I like this powder. Shit. All right. And then I like to take some setting spray because I like to do my highlight first. And keeping it in like the blue theme, I'm going to use what is this, Blackmoon's highlighter in Jellyfish, which is like a very like blue highlight. I'm gonna highlight just my cheekbones. You guys can see she's icy. I'm also gonna use this on my brow bone, and you guys know I have textured, but that never ever stops me from highlighting the shit out of my face. You guys know I like to contour my face with Anastasia's contour kit in medium, and I take all of the 3 that are right here and I just like go over them, contour the shit out of my cheek, and then I'll clean it up. I'm very messy with it as always. My contour looks rough in the beginning, but in the end it just comes all together. Kind of want to retire the Anastasia contour kit just because it's very orange. I have yet to find like a contour that is like, I don't know, not gray but like not orange either, you know what I'm saying? Like I feel like I always look extra orange when I use this contour kit, but I also can't find a contour kit that is not orange, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys have one, please let your girl know. And then I'm going to clean my contour up. I like to do this because again, like I said, I'm super messy with my contour, but then I like to go and clean it up, and then I'll leave it there. And we're gonna go back to the eyes. All right guys, I already did the other side. I'm gonna go in with that blue from the Stacey Marie palette, and I'm going to start shoving it right in my waterline. You guys know my waterline is not that sensitive. She can take a lot. And then I'm taking like a little pencil brush. This is a Morphe E36 brush. And then I'm gonna go in with Playground, which is the light blue in James's palette, and just blend everything out. I want to show you guys this because I got it from James actually. The shadow, literally, it's right here. It makes the perfect blush color, so I like to just put this right in between my contour and my highlight so I can mesh everything together. I don't use a lot. I'll just put it right here, and it looks so beautiful, and it just like, I don't know, it makes everything, it pulls everything together, you know? Okay, before we go in with lashes, I'm gonna go in with my lip, and I'm using my favorite lip liner in Sweetheart from Morphe. And then I got this lipstick from Morphe as well, and it's called Tempt, and it's just a really pretty nude. And I'm gonna use a little bit because I'm gonna go over it with gloss anyways. And then my favorite gloss at the moment is Lunar Beauty's lip gloss in Selene. Alright you guys, this is the final look. So I added some lashes. The lashes are from Blackmoon in the style Pegasus. And I did my hair. I know the red doesn't match the blue, but I just really wanted to like use these. They're not for your hair, by the way. I got them at the 99-cent store. So yeah, you guys, that is the final look. Make sure that you check out Del's social medias. I will link her stuff down below. Check her out, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.